Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's taken so long to get my butt together. My husband has a back injury, so we attempted to put it on the dolly, the Highland Park saw that we just ordered about a month or so back. But yeah, to spare his back, we're just going to have to uncrate it in the garage and take it apart, I guess, a piece at a time. So I wanted to share this with you guys. Sorry for the delay on getting our studio together. But his back is way more important than a saw. That's why I've let it go for so long. He's just got a herniated disc, and anybody out there knows back injuries knows it ain't comfortable. He's actually had injections in his back before, and they seem to help, but it just comes and goes. But anyway, yeah. So this is the unveiling of ChewRocka. Where did I get the name ChewRocka? Well, my children know me. I was addicted to playing Star Wars Legos with my kids. And one of my favorite characters is Chewbacca. So I thought it was kind of appropriate to name this one ChewRocka, because I dedicate everything I do to my kids. They're the reason why I'm into all of this art. I've always played with my kids outside. We did play video games a lot in the wintertime. No denying that. But spring, summer, fall, they were hunting, fishing, dirt biking, four-wheeling. You doing okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Give it some muscle. Ooh. Stapled?
Yeah, at the bottom.
Okay. Ooh. Oh, cool. It probably won't be a big deal for us to get in the basement. Look at it. I think what we'll end up doing is keeping the crate maybe and putting some wheels underneath of it to give it some height. That's the first observation. So I'm already seeing I'm going to be making some changes. Am I in your way? Woo, let's get over here. Boy, that's a tight fit. We got so much crap. We got bikes, lawnmowers. You getting a Zacto? Whoa. Oh no. What is this attached to?
It's all wrapped around it, baby.
Whew. This is exciting. Oh.
Almost need to take it.
I love that color of a minty green. It's kind of like really pastel-ish. And oh, I love, of course, red, orange, all them warm, yummy colors.
Oops, sorry.
You're fine. Excuse me. He puts up with me doing YouTube. There she blows. Woo! What a beauty. Well, I am very happy, Highland Park. It was shipped beautifully. Love the sound of metal. Sound like a drum, didn't it? Boom. This is ChewRocka. Nice little addition to the shop. Let's take a look at the... Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at this, y'all. Wow. Loving it, loving it. And of course, we ordered their oil. We didn't just get any oil. I believe that it's always better, especially for the warranty, for you to use exactly what they tell you to use. Look at that beauty. What a beautiful, oh, I swear I just want to hug it. Okay, I'm going to hug it after I finish showing you guys this beautiful, beautiful machine. Wow. Oh, and I'm definitely going to get the gripper. So you take these wooden planks off, and I'll put the video I'm talking about in the comment section, in the description box below. But they've made a gripper, 2 different sizes. One of them's small, one of them's large. So that's my goal. I want both grippers, because then you can, when you replace these and you fit it in here, you have different angles you can cut your rock at with that gripper. So you can kind of, cut at angles, different angles. So I think it's going to help with us slabbing. This is definitely going to up our game in cutting slabs. The safe way to, we're starting off small, and that's just the best way to go. Just start off small and just keep growing out there, rock hounders. So thank you guys so much for watching this unveiling of ChewRocka, the newest addition to our lapidary shop. Boy, they really did a good job. Golly, look at this thing. I mean, it's beautiful. Oh, okay. I see what that is. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, much love from Michigan, and we pray that everyone is happy, healthy, safe, and stay TonkaTough, you guys. Just stay TonkaTough. And thank you guys for watching us unveil ChewRocka. So take care for now. Bye.